Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice latest version, that is 25.8 or 9 on Kali Linux 2025.4. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Kali Linux 2025.4, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website, it is libreoffice.org. See here the latest release at the time of making this video, 25.8. Click on download, then select download LibreOffice. Then select this Linux 64-bit deb. Then click on download. See here its version is 25.8.3. Click on download. No need to register. Wait a moment. Download will be started. See, download started and its size is 202 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will extract this zip file and we will install LibreOffice 25.8.3. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. Now we have to unzip it, tar-xf, then libre, then just press tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. Now go to this extracted directory, ls. Go to this deps folder again, ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them. Sudo dpkg -i start.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications, show applications, search for LibreOffice. See here we have the LibreOffice applications. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Now go to the terminal, go up one more directory, two more directories, ls. So these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed LibreOffice. So remove them to clear the space. rm libre, press the tab, underscore ls. Remove this directory as well, rm-rf libre, press the tab, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice latest version, that is 25.8 on Kali Linux 2025.4. okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.